What's up guys, it's Matt Light again, a licensed realtor here in Sarasota and your relocation expert. Today we are at Esplanade Skye Ranch. I'm gonna take you through the villa floor plan they have. It's the Ibis with a 2-car garage, 1,500 square feet, 2 bedrooms, and an added den. And now before we do that, if this is the first time joining, thank you so much. Would you consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video, because I make videos on relocating to Sarasota, model homes, and all things Sarasota real estate. So let's jump inside. Let me show you why I like this floor plan so much. Welcome to the Ibis. I know that it does not have a true front door entry. What it has is a side door entry, and it spits you right out into the open concept living room. So one thing that I really like about this villa, and really a lot of the Taylor Morrison villas, is their kitchens. Some people knock villas because they might have a small kitchen and they can't entertain. But guys, this kitchen is gigantic for the square footage. You have tons of countertop space. You got your appliances. It's a natural gas community. There's a lot of things to really like about this. So as you enter the villa from your attached 2-car garage, you've got your laundry room, a bedroom, an extra den, study, flex space, and the bathroom, which shares direct access to the bedroom. So it is really a true great use of space. There's not a ton of wasted square footage in this floor plan. In Florida, we love natural light. And so this master bedroom has all of that. You've got 3 huge windows letting a ton of natural light. And again, your master closet's gonna be on the back side of your master bedroom. So let's talk about the 2 biggest questions of the year. How do I secure a home site in Esplanade Skye Ranch, and pricing? Well, if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that every builder, every community is a little bit different of how they release home sites. So if you don't have a realtor, give me a call, shoot me a text, drop me an email, and we'll go over what they're currently doing here at Esplanade Skye Ranch. For pricing on this, again, you and I both know the builder's gonna change that as soon as I shoot this video. So if you want the most up-to-date pricing, go ahead and click the link in the video description below. If you want to see the rest of the model homes here at Skye Ranch, go ahead and check out this playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.